who really mean Paropakarartham Idam Shareeram. So many creative things, so many innovative things, and so many good things happening to mankind that all my depression about mankind being the enemy of mankind is almost wearing out slowly after seeing all of you. Because I always go around telling people that man's greatest enemy is man today. And it's nice to know there are human beings in this world who really mean Paropakarartham Idam Shareeram. You're all varied professionals belonging to several organizations, doing so many good things and doing very well. It's not because you're not doing well that you left that, but you voluntarily left that for the greatest calling on this planet by God on mankind. Do something for others. And that is what gives me so much happiness that words don't come out at all. But let me start off. Prabodh and all his gang, I would call them, of do-gooders. Let me at the outset thank you all for allowing me to come and meet with all of you. Because this is such a nice feeling that you forget the whole world worries when you see good people doing good work. And all the brothers and sisters of this wonderful city, Nagpur, where I keep coming now and then. And it's a wonderful place. I like everybody here. Plus, I like the Maharashtrian food that we had this afternoon. It was Sapna selection. We had very nice, what did we have? Kadhi, and we had bakrika, bagri. Oh, bakri is goat, is it? No. What is that? Okay, whatever. But the last thing was very good. Mango, Amarkand. So nice. That was the bonus of coming to Nagpur. Friends, people say he has done this, he has done that. Don't believe them. I now almost feel like echoing what one of those great people of Germany, of yore, von Johanna Goethe, said one day. He said, I now know philosophy, physiology, jurisprudence, and even alas, theology. How much? From end to end with labour's keen. But here I stand, O fool, with all my lore, no wiser than before.